In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to install a downloaded theme in WordPress. I'll also show you how to install a theme directly in WordPress. I'll now show you how you can install a downloaded theme in WordPress. So the first thing you want to do is log into WordPress, into the admin account. And then on the side, go down to Appearance, hover over Appearance and click Themes. You'll then want to click Add New, and this shows all the different themes. You might ask what a theme is. A theme is a collection of files that work together to dictate the general appearance and the overall feel of the website. Most themes include things like font styling, colours, page layouts and much more. We're then going to click Upload Theme to take a .zip format file that, for example, you've downloaded off a website when you've bought a theme, and then we're going to click on Choose File. We're going to choose the zip file, so yours might be some other theme, and then click Open. Once the file name's there, it's been loaded, and then you click on Install Now to install it within WordPress. Once you get to this screen here, it's been installed. You can click on Live Preview to see it in action. You can also click Activate, and when you click Activate, the theme goes live on your site, but be careful with this because if you've already got a theme that's active and you've got your website with content and images looking a certain way, just be careful by clicking it because it will change things around on the website. Anyway, we're going to click Activate. And then it's now live on the site. If you click Visit Site, you can see how it looks. It's a bit bare at the moment, but when you add more content and images, you'll see it's quite a pretty theme. If we go back into WordPress, I'll now show you how you can delete a WordPress theme. So again, if you go to Appearance at the side and click on Themes, we're going to activate another theme and we're going to delete Astra because I'm going to show you how you can install it within WordPress without downloading a file. So let's activate one of the other themes. So hover over the theme, click Activate, and then you can hover over this one, click on it, choose Delete, choose OK, and that's it deleted. That's how to delete WordPress themes. So now, if we just go back into the WordPress dashboard, I'll now show you how you can install a WordPress theme directly in WordPress. So again, you want to make sure you're in your WordPress website, go to Appearance, go to Themes, click on Add New, and search for the theme that you want to install. As you can see, I've searched Astra there, and it comes up. You can also try out other themes by clicking on these different tabs, try it out. We're going to hover over the theme, and we're going to choose Install. Again, this installs it on the website. It's not live on the website, but it installs the file. You can choose to preview it. We're going to choose to activate it. And then we're going to click on Visit Site to view it. And that's how it looks. Again, you can add more content and things over time to make it look prettier. If you want to customize a WordPress theme, quite often you've got the option to click Customize at the top here. And you can play about with the different options. And when you've made the changes, you can hit Publish. Because I haven't made any changes, I'm just going to X out and choose OK. You can also do it by going into the WordPress dashboard, going to Appearance, then clicking Customize. And again, you can make the changes, and when you've made the changes, click publish and the changes become live on the site. I hope this tutorial's been helpful, and if it has, please give it a like. There'll be a blog post of this tutorial in the description, so please feel free to check it out, and you can follow it through step by step. It has all the instructions in it, just like shown in the video.